What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your membership or subscription to Amazon services. So if you are subscribed to an Amazon service such as Amazon Prime, I'll show you how to cancel your subscription. So as you can see here, I have the Amazon homepage opened on the browser on my computer. You cannot do this on the app, you have to open the browser, and I'm signed in with my Amazon account. So to do so, let's hover over to where it says account and lists. Don't click, just hover your mouse over it, and then you'll see a membership and subscriptions section. If I click on it, it'll open the membership and subscriptions page. It'll show me my Amazon subscriptions. As you can see here, I'm subscribed to Amazon Prime. If you are subscribed to other Amazon services, they'll appear also here. And then I can manage my subscription, cancel it and edit it if I click on the membership setting here. So for Prime, for example, I'll click on Prime membership settings and it'll open a page overview of the membership or the subscription, and I can manage it here under manage subscription or membership. If I click on update, cancel and more, it'll give me the option at the bottom to end my membership. So if I click it, it'll go to the cancel Amazon membership page. And if I go ahead with the options here, I click on end membership and then follow the instructions, my Amazon Prime or Amazon service membership will be cancelled.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.